Dear friends, today we are going to talk about the Bedner's one about picking the strawberries and all the other fruits and vegetables. First, we pick the strawberries that are very delicious. Next, we pick the bell peppers, then the cherry tomatoes, then the big tomatoes, and last we pick the sunflowers. So these are all the items we harvested. So first we went to the strawberry bits. So the red ones you see are the strawberries. And there are multiple kinds of bits like this. How much we pick, we have to pay for it. So these are the different bits for strawberries. These beds are made in such a way that the excess water will not get stagnated, so the crops will not be spoiled. These are the strawberries we picked. We need to pay what we pick. Do you see a cutter here? Use that to harvest these vegetables. Very sharp. Next, we pick the tomatoes. You see the green tomatoes. The tomato plants are taller than strawberries. These are country tomatoes. The beds are made in such a way that squirrel and bird will not eat the crops. The cherry tomatoes are so good for the salads. So nice to see the baby tomatoes. Next, we went to harvest the bell peppers. So could you see the difference in the leaves? The weather was so good to harvest, so it was a great day to harvest. So it was so good to harvest on our own. So we cooked all the vegetables and they were so good and yummy and tasty. Next, the sunflowers were so good to see. Me and my brother picked 2 sunflowers for home. These are the vehicles we traveled to the field. So this is the hand pump setup which kids could play. Nice to see water flowing from the tank.